subscribers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. It might be Amazon. If it's Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below. And if it's a website link, I'll leave their website down below. So definitely check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Let's see what this is. Thank you guys for sending me this item for a review. And here we go. Another box. Alright, let me adjust you guys right there. Got some weight to it. Not sure what this is. Yep, it's Amazon. And HOMEIKA. Alrighty. So HOMEIKA. It is a vacuum cleaner. So we are back in business. One more cut I gotta do this side. Ooh. Alright. Now this is a nice one. It's a P10 cordless stick vacuum cleaner. So if you're looking for a new vacuum cleaner, check this out. Available at Amazon. Come on. Shake, shake, shake. Here we go. Oopsie daisy. HOMEIKA cordless stick. Alright. 225K PA powerful suction. Make cleaning easier. Up to 50 minutes runtime. That's enough to do a couple of rooms. Lithium battery. Cyclone motor. It's kind of like the Shark. Maybe better and cheaper. So we're about to test that out. Oops, I gotta do a cut. Drop her on the side. Here we go. Here we go. Nice and easy. Alright, we got some accessories and all that on the top. Oh, looks like a nice color, chrome. We got one of these extensions. Comes in handy for like couches, maybe if you want to clean your car out. Oh man, this one's stuck in there good. We'll get that last. We got one of the pipe extenders, and this has a nice color to it. Really nice color. I don't know if you guys can see that. That is cool. Not sure what kind of silver that is, but definitely a nice. Put that right over there. Put that over there. And then now We got the power station right here. Got the power cable. Put that right there for now. And here's the bottom, which you're gonna need later. So we gotta vacuum this room up. Ooh, it does remind me like a shark. Here's the bottom. Got some fangs right there. This is definitely gonna be a nice one. Alright. Got the manual, brush, screws for the wall mount right over there. Got another one of these. Whoa, this is different. Got brush on the side, and then almost there. Yeah, this is just like the shark, not baby shark. Oops. Alright, close this up. Get this box out of the way. Whoosh. P10 cordless. Now here's like this thing right here. Look at that. That looks nice. Should be easy pop. Tape. Gotta. Okay, there we go. Bottom right there, you push. And this one, that one. There we go. Right here, filter. Empty it, dump, close. It's kind of like those big teller machines. You shoot it up to shoot. No optical performance. Wash and dry the filter every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks. Everything's 2 weeks. Okay, we don't need that though. Oh man. Just keep it on it for now, I guess. It's alright. So max is up to there. That's pretty good. I think this goes like that. That's locked in. Kind of like a paintball gun. Bada boom. Sounds like a bazooka. There we go. To the window. Okay, that's for that part. So we're gonna do the stand. This little guy first for the carpets. Drop her on the ground. Drop it down. Drop it down. Pick this up. You heard the click. Whoa. See, there's a little fuzzies. There it goes. Yeah, this is quiet. See, right here? That's what was on the ground. Those popcorn package. Really nice light. It's bright. Great stuff. And it's pretty full. And like here, you can change the speed. You see the cyclone, and you can feel the fan right there. And there's that one button you press. So this is a nice one, guys. Definitely check it out. And now, super speed. There we go, so we know it works. And now let me oh, you can extend it. The middle bar all the way up. That's cool. See the extender? Really nice stuff, guys. I want to shut it off. Alright, you see? I just had to switch. Okay. And then this. As you can tell, kind of like that, between the corners. So really cool. And you could, like I said, use the other extenders, like this one. And you got another replacement filter, so that's a good bonus. And then you got a brush to clean it up. And if you want to shut it off, pull the trigger. Figure that out. So definitely check them out, guys. Like I said, affiliate link will be down below. Sorry for the long video tonight, but you guys be safe, have a good night, and see you guys soon.